Pros. Comes in a 2-pack, under cabinet space-saving design, holds multiple stemware glasses, 3 rows for storage, elegant gold finish, easy to install. Cons. Not suitable for large glass collections, incompatible with shallow or short cabinets. Insufficiently sturdy for heavy drinkware, included screws may be too small, screw holes may be offset incorrectly, limited capacity per individual column. Features. 2-pack wineglass rack, under cabinet installation, holds 3 rows, elegant gold finish. Stemware holder storage. The Nuovoware wineglass rack 2-pack offers an elegant gold finish and an under cabinet space-saving design featuring 3 rows to store multiple stemware glasses with easy installation. However, it is not suitable for large glass collections, incompatible with shallow or short cabinets, and can be insufficiently sturdy for heavy drinkware. Additionally, the limited capacity per individual column, potentially small included screws, and incorrectly offset screw holes may pose installation and usage challenges.